So this is the last part of our presentation. This shows the practical use of our model. We try to build a website that takes an image and tries to predict what kind of character that is, what number it is. So as you can see here, we inserted this image, uh, and also the test images have been passed through pre-processing phases. So whatever image we are trying to insert here, we're going to get this prediction. So we inserted this bar looking slash looking image, which is 1. So the neural net predicted it as 1. So here we are using logistic regression. The logistic regression is the first model that we are trying to train in order to have uh, visualization or over how much accuracy we should expect. So after this we trained two other models, but this is logistic regression. We had 92% accuracy, and on the next model we had 87% accuracy, and on the last we had 95% accuracy. So we are trying to present the 95% accuracy and 92% accuracy on this uh, website. So this is how it works. We just select an image from here. We selected 0 and we upload it, and the neural net we try to predict. Also we can do with other numbers. We try to predict with 4, it's predicted 4, and we can also use other numbers like 3. It can also predict this, and this is how we do it. We try to save the model at the last step after training, and after this we try to also save or the logistic regression part, and after that we build our model, our website. On top of that we had a server which takes an image and tries to call our model over there, and that model will try to predict our values. So when we insert 3, it will predict 3, and whatever we input, it does the same. So we have an index page, which is the landing page, on which we choose an image. On the prediction page it will generate our image. So as you can see here, this is the value that we are trying to output. So that's basically what our website look like. So as you can see, this one is the deep neural network prediction, and this one is the logistic regression. We are using two different models. So this is our final presentation. Thank you.